Here at Beta, we're designing and building and deploying electric vertical aircraft. The future of electric flight is inevitable. There are significant cost reductions, and those cost reductions aren't just in the savings of fuel. The increased maintenance and increased service intervals are compelling reasons for our customers to adopt electric aviation. But even more compelling is the versatility of the aircraft. The ability to take off and land vertically is incredibly important to our customers. We couple this with recharging infrastructure that recharges the aircraft in less than an hour. We built prototypes here in Vermont, and now we've extended a third of the way across the country with our recharging network, and we're going to go further. We're going to cover the entire country by 2025. We're a mission-driven business consisting of passionate engineers and aviators focused on delivering electric aviation systems to customers. Electric aviation is an important step to turning the corner on climate change. Transportation is a major contributor to greenhouse gases. Aviation is presently 9% of that contribution. We have solutions in cars and trucking and marine. We don't have any solutions in aviation. By 2035, aviation will be the #1 producer of greenhouse gases in transportation. So here at Beta, we're going to make flight greener, safer, and more accessible by leading the world in the transition to electric aviation.